Are you a brand new life coach or maybe one just getting started and you're wanting to figure out exactly how you can make your first $10,000 as a life coach in your life coaching practice? Don't worry, I got you covered in this video.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the marketing shaman, and I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. And today we're going to be going over exactly how beginning life coaches, right, or life coaches who are just getting started, or maybe you're wanting to make a pivot as a life coach, right, and maybe change that niche or change who you help, but you really, don't know how you can make your first $10,000. Right, in that new niche or as a new life coach or really as a beginner, and you're wanting to figure out how you can make $10,000 fast. We're going to go over a 3-step system that can help you make $10,000 really fast here really in the next 30 days if you take action now on what we talked about in this video. Let's rock and roll. All right, so $10,000 is the target. So we kind of have the $10,000 as the target. That's where we want to get to. What we want to do is we need to understand and do the simple math of understanding specifically how we're going to get there. So what are we going to sell? What products, services, or offers are we going to sell to people in the marketplace, and what are they going to buy from us that's going to help us get to that $10,000? This is very, very important because, the different types of offers that you can market and advertise into the marketplace and the types of solutions that you can offer the marketplace all vary in types of price points. You can offer things in like a group setting, which might cost hundreds of dollars versus one-on-one coaching, which could mean that, if you have one-on-one coaching client could get you to that $10,000, price point. I know a lot of life coaches and healers out there that work one-on-one with with other people, helping them heal a problem that they have or with a solution that they can help them get to through one-on-one coaching, and with that are charging $10,000, $15,000 for that coaching, helping them get to that $10,000 price point. Ultimately though, what we want to make sure that we identify as a beginner or as someone who's just getting started is what is the thing that we want to help people with, and what is the problem that we want to help them with. We start doing this by identifying, and we call this identification, right? We do this through identifying who it is that we want to help to begin with, right? And understanding our who starts with the desires that they have. The first desire that they're going to have is what we classify as their surface desire. That surface desire is going to be something that they're going to be able to see that they're going to be able to get. So like in the surface desires of the life coaches that I help, the surface desire that I help them get is their first or next 100K. So they're able to obtain their first or next 100K through following the system that we've helped build, right, to help coach them and guide them through helping them get to their first or next 100K. And ultimately through getting their first or next 100K, we're then able to help them get to their core desire that they want. That core desire is going to be basically what that 100K is going to help provide them. For some of the life coaches that we've helped get to their first or next 100K, that has been more time with their family, be able to travel more, live that entrepreneurial lifestyle, whatever it might be. But ultimately, we want to make sure that we identify their surface desires and their core desires, because by understanding these, we're going to be able to understand specifically what it is that our future clients are going to want and be able to provide them a solution and an offer that they're going to want to get very, very quickly, and it's going to be so irresistible, they're going to feel stupid saying no. All right, so now you know the who of who you're wanting to help. We need to go into the specific offer that we're wanting to offer them. Now, the offer is going to be the solution that we're looking to provide to the prospect, to the people who need our help, so that we can sell them something, give them something of value to them that they can take and ultimately use to get over the problem that they have. So what we want to do when we're creating this offer is ultimately a lot of people, they want to create very vertical offers. They want to create offers that only have one type of solution in them, meaning they're only going to give away what it is that they provide, which might be like one-on-one calls or a group coaching program or something like that. When ultimately, when people are buying things, they typically are going to have certain questions that we want to make sure the bulk of people who buy our stuff, or we are going to be able to answer for them in our offer. So what we're doing in our offer is we're making sure to answer the internal and the external, right, objections from the people, answering the questions, right? Can this work for me, and can I do this? And ultimately, right, do I have the resources to get this done? And then we also want to make sure that we give them a reason to act now, give them a reason to take action now on that offer, usually offering them a bonus or two inside that offer, giving them a reason to act now so that they can get off of that fence even when they know this is everything that they want, and give them a reason to act now, helping you sell more helping you help more people and ultimately sell more products and offers to people who need your help. All right, so before I go into how you're going to make money with the offer that we just talked about, I want to ask you, what kind of life coach are you and what type of problem do you have a solution for? Let me know. I'm curious. Let me know in those comments down there. All right, so we know who we want to help. We've identified the problem that we're going to solve. We now have a solution to that problem, and we've created an offer. The next thing we need to do is we need to start demonstrating exactly how we can help people by actually helping people. And we do this through what we classify as profitable presentations. And what a profitable presentation is a way for you to deliver and demonstrate, right, how you can help solve a problem to multiple people at once, really at mass. And we do this in profitable presentations through things like workshops and online summits and master classes and challenges and things like that, where we can go out there and ultimately help people, help our prospects, help the people who need our help by actually helping them at these profitable presentations, giving us the perfect opportunity after the end of these profitable presentations, at the end of being able to help these people by actually helping them, giving us the perfect opportunity to go out there and make an offer to them to continue to get our help. Now, what we want to do is after we create these profitable presentations or a profitable presentation, we then want to take this presentation and we want to start stacking it to where we're running the presentation over and over and over again to different people so that we can ultimately show this presentation to as many people as we can and help as many people as we can, ultimately giving us multiple opportunities over and over and over again to make multiple sales, help multiple people, and ultimately make enough sales to get to $10,000 a month easily through running consistent, profitable presentations. Are you a life coach looking to make your first or next six figures as a life coach? Well, then I got a brand new 22-page guide called the 100K Life Coach Launch Guide that's absolutely free, and I'd like to give it to you. So there's a link down here in the description where you can grab your 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, which again is going to be a 22-page guide showing you the 3-step system that we use and that we give to our clients to use so that they can go out there and they can make their first or next 100K as a life coach or healer. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking on that link below and grabbing your free copy of the 100K Life Coach Launch Guide today. We'll see you in the next video.